In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the keyboard shortcut cheat sheet. If you use Gmail on a computer, there's a built-in overlay that lists all the keyboard shortcuts in one place, and it's incredibly helpful for speeding up your email routine. We'll make sure shortcuts are enabled, then open the cheat sheet and finally close it when you're done. First, let's make sure keyboard shortcuts are turned on in Gmail. Open Gmail in your web browser. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. Select Keyboard Shortcuts On. This switch is essential. Without it, the cheat sheet won't be very useful because the shortcuts themselves won't work. After selecting it, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Don't skip that Save button or Gmail won't remember your choice. Once saved, Gmail will reload and you're ready for the cheat sheet. Now to open the cheat sheet, make sure you're anywhere inside Gmail's interface, like your inbox or a label view. Press Shift plus the question mark key. That's usually Shift and the slash key on most keyboards. This works across Gmail, but not while you're actively typing in a compose window. If you are composing, just click out of the body field or press Escape to move the focus back to the inbox, and then try Shift plus question mark again. A pop-up will appear showing all available shortcuts, neatly organized by category, including navigation, email actions, composing messages, labels, and chat if you have chat enabled. Take a moment to skim the categories that match your workflow. For example, navigation helps you jump around quickly, while email actions covers archiving, starring, and moving messages. This overlay is view only, so you won't accidentally trigger anything while it's open. If the cheat sheet doesn't appear, double check that keyboard shortcuts are turned on in settings, confirm your cursor is focused on Gmail and not the browser's address bar, and make sure your keyboard layout uses Shift plus the slash key for the question mark. Occasionally, browser extensions that capture shortcuts can interfere, so testing in a private window or another browser can help troubleshoot. When you're done, close the cheat sheet by pressing Escape. You can also click the X in the top right corner of the pop-up. That's it. Enable shortcuts, open the overlay with Shift plus question mark, and close it when you're finished. With this in your toolkit, you can learn and use Gmail's time-saving shortcuts anytime.